Hey guys, what is up? It is Alicia. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to make Marla Catherine's intros, which has been super duper requested. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and that it helps. I will leave the link to the original video where I found this idea from. And without further ado, let's just get started. And by the way, this is on an iPhone. This is an iPhone tutorial. So the first step that you're going to want to do is gather the pictures that you're going to want for your background of the intro. So for this, I suggest first of all getting a star GIF. All you have to do for a GIF is just save it normally as you would a photo. The other two I recommend, if you guys can see on this bar here, is the hypnotizing one and then a triangle GIF. So all you have to do is just look that up and then you can just open up CapCut Pro. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your photos in. I already put mine in, obviously. And so I ordered them this way because I think this is the best way and it turns out looking really nice like this. So the next step that you're going to do is you're going to change the opacity of everything. So I'm going to start by double tapping on the image and then I'm going to go to the sun and change the opacity, as you can see here. Then I'm going to go to the hypnotizing one and I'm going to change the opacity to whatever I want. I think this one looks best. And then I'm going to go to this triangle here and then I'm going to change the opacity, not a lot because it still is fine, but I'll change it to that so you can see a little bit of the hypnotizing thing in the background. And so it looks like this. So fun fact, my audio cut out here, but once you change the transparency of everything, the next step that you're going to want to do is add your text. There's a lot of different options for you how you can do this, and there's no way to really animate it on a phone that I found, so you're just going to want to work on playing it by splitting clips and making it sort of flash in a sense. So you're going to press the arrow in a row and then you're going to press text, and then once you double click on it, what you can do is you can add your text to it. I'm going to use Marla Catherine as an example, but you can obviously put your own channel name there. And I'm putting it here 3 times just for the effect. It doesn't matter really. Another thing you could do is you can fill up you could divide the video into 3 sections sort of with the text in the line and just put 10 or 11 of these Marla Catherine's phrases. So then what I'm going to do is go to this bottom bar and change the size by going to the A with the arrow, and I'm just going to move it around on my screen and align it how I choose to. See here, I'm just kind of moving it around and playing around with it. The next thing you're going to want to do is you have to stretch it out by by tapping it to get these little bars, and then I'm making it the length of the other video clips. Once I have this, what I'm going to do is go to the scissors tool at the bottom. You'll see it pop up right now, but this scissor tool, I'm just going to split it and I'm going to do it at maybe 0.2 seconds apart and just break it up like this so that I get this flashing effect. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm breaking it up by using the split tool, and then I'm going to every other section, and what I'm doing is I'm turning the transparency all the way to 1 so you can't see it, and this is what gives it that flashing effect. So you have to make sure that you do the transparency option instead of actually deleting the clips, because if you delete it, then the clip behind it will move forward and it will mess up the order of things. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and you can keep playing around with it until it blinks really fast or they're uneven. I tried to do a couple of them where they were a lot of where there were a lot of fast blinks and then some where there were slow blinks, just so that it would look more, I don't know, I just think it looks better that way. Another tip is to do this to music. You can actually download music into CapCut Pro and then make the flashing text to the beat drop, which is cool. But so this was pretty much the tutorial on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to leave the link to the video where I found this again. I believe his name is Jaden, and his video was super good and super in-depth about all of these different things. But I hope this helped nonetheless and that you got a cool idea of an intro to make. I'm not sure how to animate the text so it wiggles around like Marla's yet, but I will do another video if I figure out how to do that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I post on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and sometimes I do bonus videos. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.